In this video, I'm going to show you how you can build a website for free. So normally you would have to pay for hosting and domain name. But in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get a free hosting and a free domain name so that you can build your own website for free. Even if you don't have any experience, I'm going to show you step by step how you can build your own website. So if you are interested in finding out how you can do that, then keep watching this video and let's just jump into my screen to find out how we can get started. And here we are on my screen. So right now I'm going to show you how you can get a free domain and free hosting. Let's start off with the domain. So for the domain, you want to make sure to go into a new incognito window, and then you want to search for Freedom. So Freedom is the website that is going to help us get a domain name for free. So a domain name is basically your website name, and that people can type in to access your website, such as youtube.com, google.com. All of these are domain names that you type in to access a website. So to get one for free, you want to go to a website called Freedom, and this is where you can get your free domain. So first of all, you want to click on sign in the top right corner. Right here you can then sign up for account. Alright, so once you have signed up, you want to click right there and then click on register a new domain. Once you do that, you should be able to type in your domain name that you are trying to get right here, whatever you like, and then hit check availability. You will then find all of the free domains that are available, so choose the one that you would like to use for the sake of the video. I will go with this one right here. So you can click on get it now, and right there you can then click on checkout. And the checkout page, you want to make sure to select the period and change it to 12 months. So you can see that for the first 12 months it's free. After that, you want to make sure to let it expire and to get this domain again for free. Click on continue right now to go ahead and actually get the domain. Want to make sure to complete your order. So as you can see right now, I have got this domain. It's activate and it's free. Alright, so that's it for the domain. Next up is you want to go to the website called infinityfree.net and you want to sign up for an account. So click on sign up now and then sign up for account. So I will do that right now. So basically what you need to do is simply sign up here right there, and then within a few seconds I am going to show you how that works and how we can use this to actually set this up. Okay, so I will just enter a password, agree to the terms and confirm that I'm not a robot, and then click on create new account. They will then send you a verification link. So I'm going to open my email, right? So there is an email. Let's click on verify. Next up, you want to go Freedom and then click on manage domain. So then you want to click on management tools and then click on name serves and then click on use custom name servers. Alright, so next up you want to open this page and you can then copy these names and servers. Okay, so copy them, then go back to Freedom and paste them in there and then click right there. Please pay attention that this can take up to 24 hours. However, in my experience it takes about 20 up to 30 minutes. So I'm gonna click right there and then I will get back to you within a few minutes. Alright, so once you have done that, you want to go to back Infinity Free and then click on create account right there. So you want to set up your own free account. So right there, choose a domain name. You want to click custom domain, then go to Freedom and click on my domains right there, and then you want to copy this domain and then you want to use okay. So paste it in there and then search domain. Next up, scroll down. Right there you can change the account label if you want to change account username, but right there you also want to make sure to put in your account password from Infinity Free so that you can confirm this and create your account once. So you have done that, click on create account right there and there you go. So you have just created your account right there. You can open your control panel. So you want to do that, they will then send you over to this panel. Before that, you want to approve this and there you go, the panel will now load. So this is where you can actually go into your cPanel, and this is the back end of your hosting. Then scroll down until you found software right there, and then click on the software less apps installer now, and this is where we install WordPress so that we can actually build our own website. So click on WordPress right there and then click on install. Now this is where you can then install WordPress. So you can go to the install, or you can scroll down, enter the information in here, and you can then select a theme if you want to. I will just go with, let's say, this being right here. Click on select and then click on install right there. Alright, so this can take up to a couple of minutes. I will get back to you once this is done, and there we go. So WordPress is installed right there. You can find the links to WordPress, so you can click right there and you will then find your website. So this is our website currently looks like. You can then also click right there to sign into the back end of your WordPress website. Alright, so in here you can click on my blog. In the top left corner, this is your website. You can click on customize, and this is where you can start building your website, and this is where you can customize your website. You can change the active theme. For example, if click right there, you can go with any of these ones. If I just go with this one, click on live preview, we can find out what that one looks like. You can change the site identity, the colors, menus, all of it. So this is where you would actually build your website. And let's say that from now on I want to choose this template. Once you do that, you will start using this template right here instead of the one that you were previously using. If I wanted to change the background, I would click on the change image, and then I can upload files. Let's say I want to have, let's see, I will just go in here, and let's say I wanted to have this one as my header banner, and then upload that. Clicks on choose image, and there you go. So I have just changed the header on here. I know this does not look good, it's just a random thing, it's just to show you that this stuff actually works and that you can actually start building WordPress website. Alright, so now you can actually start customizing and creating your website by simply going to customize section on WordPress. Let's show you a couple of things here. So first of all, I want to show you how you can add a logo to your website. So for that, you want to click on your site identity, then click on logo. You can click on select logo, upload the files, click on select files, and then you can upload it. So I will go with this, I will upload that, and then if you click select right there, you can also choose to add a title. So you can add anything what you like. So I'm going with this. You can add a caption, a description, and you also have a link for this specific image right there. If I click on select, I can cut this as well crop image right there, and there we go. So right now I have got this, it will show up right here, and this is how you can get a free website. So right now I have shown you how you can get a free domains and free hostings. I show you how you can install WordPress for that domain, and yeah, that's pretty much what I wanted to show you guys in this video. So if this video helps you out, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. So I will catch you guys in the next video.